Hello, everybody. My name is Gabriel Hernandez, one of the actual students for University of Central Florida. And today I'm actually going ahead and display and present the final build of Study Nightly. On the last video, I actually showcased our difference of the concept art that we're trying to build from the website named Study Nightly that will actually have three main features, actually four features. The main feature will be the first feature will be the actual repository, where essentially students can actually come in and actually do a file upload, and actually from different courses based on tags and similar to our concept in the material section. And then for the second one, we do have created like a group section, kind of like similar to Discord or any group chat that actually has implemented for as direct messaging and different type of groups. And this is our concept art as we discussed last time. And last but not least, we create a forum where students can actually talk about different subjects, different topics across the university on the website and community related, similar to kind of like Reddit. So last time we kind of showcased our concept art, and today I'm actually happy to announce that we created a full build for this for our website. And here, let me show you really quick. And we actually were managed to buy the domain utilizing Hostinger, one of the platforms that is utilized for web hosting, and of course we did the web hosting through Hostinger. With Hostinger, we were able to learn different what goes behind actually do the website hosting, such as the manager of DNS, the email hosting, the manager of email hosting, as well as sending ads for CAPTCHA and any other additional like features such as that goes in the server. With Hostinger, we were able to like do like one big stack into one big platform where Hostinger actually partners with WordPress, where they actually can allow you to integrate Hostinger with WordPress and create websites for there. So we decided to create Study Nightly utilizing WordPress. And this is kind of like a quick kind of rundown of what goes in the back end. Don't really want to show as much since don't want to do too much of the back end side of things, but I will explain it further. And this is kind of a little bit things that we're doing. So here's the actual website itself. It is very drastically different than our concept art, but due to the limitations of technology and actual very custom development site, we got to adapt into a different scenario to construct the different build and look and feel of the website. So here's the website itself, Study Nightly. Here, let me go ahead and actually utilize a incognito window so you can see what actual users look. And here we go. So here's Study Nightly, of course. A lot of our links are very interactable, and of course, we'll have Study Nightly in the link in the bio below, so you can as well if you want to follow along. Here's actually just kind of introduction behind it, and of course for knights and for wizards. And of course, we just mainly introduce our users what is Study Nightly and our different features. And of course, a lot of our links are very clickable, interactable, and it actually has different logics behind it. Of course, some of the features that you see and actually looks and feels are custom CSS, and we utilize a lot of like as Divi and some page builders in there to kind of further assist the development of the website. And as you can tell, there's a lot of simple animations around here. And here, let's go ahead and click on learn more. And to learn more, it kind of takes you about us on this page. It kind of gives you kind of like introduction of like our story behind it, why this website was created, any additional more like information of the actual website itself. We do actually point out what was our development journey, and we actually integrated Figma into it. If you actually log in through our website, through Figma over here, if you click the link, you can actually go ahead and be interactive through this specific website here. Well, the concept part of Figma. And as well, oh, sorry. And as well, you can actually click on the, if you don't want to log into your account, you can actually click on the Figma community concept and actually takes you to a new link in here and kind of takes you to the actual Figma kind of community page where you can actually download the concept art and all the assets behind it that we have over here. Going back to the actual About Us page, here's the About Us page, kind of goes through our specific journey, what we went through, what we learned, WordPress, Hostinger, the Gmail hosting, email site, Figma, Divi, and then custom CSS, as I mentioned previously. And as well, we also do give a lot of credit to the different types of plugins that we utilize to the different developers that allow us to make this website successful. Here is the first prototype of the function of the material. We do create it like an actual landing page for each of the sections, for each of the features. In the material, you will have the community channel, which is the group chat, and then the course material repository where you can actually define upload. And of course, in your own time, you can actually go ahead and kind of go to the website itself and kind of browse, read the specifics of it. I'm just mainly showcasing the features behind and kind of give you a small tour of it. And as you can tell, we utilize different types of CSS for the animations. And of course, this link's in the bottom, so also clickable as well. And here, click on community channels. And here's actually the first function where people can actually come here and type about our chat, and it's actually live. So if you see test 2, I'm using incognito window at the moment. So if I'm a different user and go over here, I can actually see the response over here by Y Citizen, and I can actually do a direct message to him or her. And if I go to the other one, I do got here, hello there, by null. We're just showcasing the actual functions of the group chat and as well the direct message that we built in and utilize the plugins for this to happen. And of course, we have to add some custom code in here to utilize the look and feel of the website. Besides the community channel, of course, we have the course material repository where users can actually come in and actually upload different type of files in here. Here's the current files that we do have, and this is kind of goes back to all the rights goes to Code Academy. We utilize it as a form of kind of testing. And as you can tell, students can come here, or any user can come here, look what current files is going on. They can preview it and they can download it. And as well, they can upload their own file. Of course, as we add more files and more classes, we classify it based on tags, which is our category. And if we do kind of like a small sample, let's do here, for instance, computer science, so on, title, test two, for instance, we submit it. It will allow us to the files uploaded. We just reload the page, and then test two will be right here. If you click on it, it's just a main function in C#. That's just kind of like a little example of how it works. And yeah, and you can also look by search, choose by tags, all that good stuff. We will populate more tags so it's easier for users to upload different type of files, and they can actually go ahead and add different classes, different resources for that. Well, of course, we have the forums in here. This is mainly the landing page for the forums. Just kind of brief introduction of it, and of course, we have different type of pop-ups or different sections that kind of guides you to, like, if you want to chat with the community, it'll take you back to the community channel. If you want to explore the forum, click on the explore forums, and users can come here and actually go ahead and create new threads, look at different forums, open discussions, and create new forum posts. And here, let's go ahead and click on, for instance, Black Ops 6. This is somebody who created a new different topics for the forum specific. And once you log in, you can actually reply for it. So right now, I'm not logged in, so I cannot reply to anything. But if I do log in, and if I'm signing up, this will be what kind of like the screen of login will looks like on different sections, such as a sign up. This is a sign up page that we have over here. And if I already have an account, this is what it looks over here. I'm gonna go ahead and showcase what it looks like on being logged in. And yeah, and here, users can come here to the profile to change the password and mainly that's about it at this moment. And yeah, this is actually a website that we created for our class uh, of computer human interaction. Hope you guys enjoy it and feel free to create new users. You can also go ahead and allow us to do a survey, which go about us and do a survey right here. Hope you have one the first of your day. Bye bye.